This is Mayor Sean Patterson Howard. And we're here to just give you an update on the FEMA vaccination site that will be opening. The registration will go active and will go live tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. And we will be able to make appointments over the next few days, just Mount Vernon and the city of Yonkers. Mount Vernon zip codes 10550, 10552, and 10553. They will accept appointments for the COVID-19 vaccinations. It'll be a federal site in Yonkers at 2 Quincy Place. So this is how you get appointments for the vaccination. You will go online to ny.gov/vaccine, VACCINE, ny.gov/vaccine. If you want to make an appointment by phone, dial 1-833-697-4829, 1-833-697-4829. We also encourage you, if you don't have access, or if you know people who do not have access to the internet or have a difficulty making appointments via phone, that you also contact our Mount Vernon Department of Recreation at 914-665-2420 if you need assistance. We will be working with our different cultural associations, churches, businesses, neighborhood associations to set up sites over the next few days where we can come on site with a few computers and help people register for the vaccination. But for those who have no problem doing it yourself, please reach out tomorrow morning starting at 8 a.m. and register at ny.gov/vaccine or call 1-833-697-4829. So starting tomorrow at 8 a.m. through the 2nd of March, just Mount Vernon and Yonkers residents will be able to register for the vaccinations at this site. After that, it will be open to the rest of Westchester County. So Mount Vernon residents, please take advantage of this head start that we're going to get. Mount Vernon and Yonkers were selected because of the level of our infection rates and how much our community has been impacted. So we have a federal designation to receive this head start, this early opportunity to solely apply for the vaccinations. You will start doing this tomorrow at 8 a.m. Through March 2nd. Now, the first appointments will start on March 3rd. Please, again, if you feel like you might have trouble, reach out to your churches, reach out to your cultural organizations, reach out to your neighborhood associations, and we will come together. If you're a church, if the churches can start collecting the names, and if you can have someone at your church designated to help your members, if you have a neighborhood association, a cultural club, any type of group, please, we're asking that you come together and you work with those in your neighborhood and your organizations and your faith-based institutions to help them get registered. We do not want to waste this great opportunity. This site has the ability to vaccinate about 1,000 people a day, and we want to make sure that we are taking full advantage of this opportunity. And if that goes well, hopefully they'll be able to open another mass vaccination site. We are working and we are pushing for one to be opened here in Mount Vernon, but don't wait for it. This site is open now. Take full advantage of it. Let's not waste the head start that we have and not get people registered. So one more time, for the last time, ny.gov/vaccine, or you can call at 1-833-697-4829. The vaccination appointments will be Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. That's a good span, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. So even if you have to get an appointment for after work, there is time for you to do that. Please take advantage. This is not a pop-up site. It will be an ongoing site. We want to give so much thanks to our majority leader of the Senate, Andrea Stewart-Cousins, our senators Jamal Bailey and Alessandra Biaggi, and our Assemblyman Pretlow for working with the governor's office and the federal government to ensure that we have an equitable opportunity here in our community to get vaccinations. So for those people who were saying Westchester County Center is too far, we have a site now here in Southern Westchester, right in Yonkers. And if transportation is an issue, we will work with you. I mean, we can't just give everyone a ride, but for people who really need transportations, especially those who are our seniors and the disabled, please reach out to 914-665-2420, and we will try and work and coordinate transportation, whether through our partners or reaching out to some of our county partners.
Like location?
So the location is going to be at 2 Quincy Place, which is the National Guard Armory. The National Guard Armory at 2 Quincy Place in Yonkers. It's kind of Broadway and Quincy Place. It's right there. It's near Getty Square, and it's next to the Yonkers PAL. So that will be the site. It is accessible by public transportation. We just had a big call with our electeds, and the city of Yonkers will be working with the police department to help with parking and make sure that traffic is moving and that people can get in and get out. Once again, it's going to be at the National Guard headquarters in Yonkers at 2 Quincy Place. That's next to the Yonkers PAL, and you can access it. You could access it at NY, the vaccination appointments at ny.gov/vaccine, or you can call 1-833-697-4829. And if you have not signed up for our email list, because we send out email updates, if you have not signed up for our email updates, please sign up for our emails at cmbny.com. This is the easiest, most efficient, and cheapest way for us to get information out to you. So please sign up for our email newsletter at cmbny.com. Thank you, everyone. Take care and have a blessed